for every cunt that doesn't fucking know me, I'm Paddy Monster Parker, the crazy pagan. This is my doctor's surgery. After I've started cleaning it up and getting it back in order after the Amy situation and that came through, these people stole their own water pipes and lived in mess and filth. They had no power, they had no nothing. And now I've got it all set up with power and fucking everything I need. Whoa. For that. I'm looking for people to get behind me and support me because it's a 100-year-old house. They're going to knock it down if people keep trashing it. So I'd like some help to try and protect the heritage. I'll show you the outside soon.